everyone, Mrs. Stoops here. I'm your instructor for journalism, and this is your weekly video to show you what's coming up for the week starting today, going through next Thursday. So today we don't have a live session, but my expectation is that you come in here, you check this announcement, you watch this video, and then do any other next steps that I have for you listed on Friday. Today, particularly, you're going to have to take notes on this video right here. This video is about the art of questioning. And I don't care how you take notes on this video. You can write down his top 5 or 6 points. You can write down the points that you don't agree with. You can write down one point that you think is the one that you are going to focus on. But have something prepared to come to class on Monday and have our discussion, because on Monday we do have our live session and we're going to be introducing interviewing. And I want you to bring your video notes because we're going to have a discussion about what we think is good interviewing and how we could employ that method when we are doing our blog writings. So you might not think that this has a lot to do with your blog because you maybe hadn't considered doing any interviews. But as we move through the rest of this semester and you're developing content for your blog, newsworthy content for your blog, you might find that somebody else in this course, maybe another teacher, maybe a friend of yours, has some information that you want to share on your blog, and you're going to need to know how to interview that person to get that information. So we're going to introduce interviewing on Monday in our live session, and you're going to bring your video notes so we can have a good discussion about that. On Tuesday, of course, we don't have that live session, but that means that you need to read this and this. These are 2 different sections within your course, and it's all listed under the same heading, Week 6 Reading. On Wednesday, we do have a live session, and this is when we typically do our Class Kick assignment, but this week we don't have a Class Kick assignment. We're instead going to be practicing more discussion board interactions. And you will be presented with a scenario for your discussion on your discussion board. And you have to create, I don't know, a handful of questions that you as a reporter would want to know from the person in this scenario. And of course, we'll get into more details next week, Wednesday. And on Thursday, you are going to be required to, as a group, whether you picked scenario A or scenario B, you're going to have to come up with the top 10 questions that you want to ask the person that you are interviewing as a group. And those will be listed on the discussion board along with the names of the people that you made that choice with. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Make sure that you get this video done today along with your notes and come to class Monday prepared to have a discussion about interviewing. Bye, guys.